Students, look carefully at the board. We are solving 3 questions from the topic rate of reaction. Before we begin, remember one golden rule. The coefficient always comes down. Reactant rates are negative. Product rates are positive. Keep this rule in mind. It will help in every question. Now let us start with question 1. 1A reacts with 2B to form 5P. We have to write the rate of disappearance and appearance. First, look at A. A is a reactant and its coefficient is 1. So, the rate of disappearance of A is change in concentration of A with time, and the sign is negative. Now look at B. B is also a reactant, but its coefficient is 2. So, we write 1 by 2 before its rate, because the coefficient comes down, and again the sign is negative. Now look at PP is a product and its coefficient is 5. So, we write 1 by 5 before its rate, and the sign is positive because P is being formed. When we write all 3 of these in one single line, this line is called the rate of reaction. Now move to question 2. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. 1 nitrogen reacts with 3 hydrogen to form 2 ammonia. We have to find the rate of reaction. Using the same rule, rate of nitrogen equals 1 by 3 times the rate of hydrogen equals 1 by 2 times the rate of ammonia. This is the correct rate of reaction expression for this equation. Now come to question 3, the numerical. Here it is given that the rate of formation of ammonia is 12. We have to find the rate of disappearance of nitrogen and hydrogen. Do not start calculating immediately. First, write the rate relation from the reaction. Rate of nitrogen equals 1 by 3 times the rate of hydrogen equals 1 by 2 times the rate of ammonia. Now use the given value. 1 by 2 times the rate of ammonia equals 12. So, 1 by 2 multiplied by 12 gives 6. This means the rate of reaction is 6. Now use this value to find hydrogen. 1 by 3 times the rate of hydrogen equals 6. So, multiply 6 by 3. The rate of hydrogen becomes 18. But hydrogen is a reactant, so we put a negative sign. The rate of hydrogen is minus 18 mole per liter. Now find nitrogen. The rate of nitrogen is directly equal to the rate of reaction. So, the rate of nitrogen is minus 6 mole per liter. Again negative because nitrogen is a reactant. These are the final answers. Remember again the 3 rules. The coefficient always comes down. Reactant rates are negative. Product rates are positive. If you follow these rules, rate of reaction numericals will always be easy.